I am a digital hoarder. I have got, currently on my phone, less than 1%. Part of it is amnesia stuff. When you don't remember a bunch of stuff, you tend to sort of be like, oh, don't want to forget this. It ain't that simple. Because when you start capturing everything, the things that actually matter are harder to find, and also you don't end up having enough space for your bank app to auto update, which means that when you go to pay for something in a shop, you need to clear space on your phone so that the app can be updated so that it will allow you to connect so that you can transfer money to your card. And you look like an absolute tit. And it's really frustrating because when you want to take a photo of stuff and you haven't got the space, you can't. You haven't got any space. Shit starts crashing on your phone. It's brutal, man. It's brutal. I've been trying to not do that for a long ass time. At least since the start of my amnesia recovery, March 2022. It's definitely been pretty bad. I used to take a fair few photos and stuff like that, but it wasn't like to this degree. I go through little stages where I'm able to clear stuff out, but it's so time consuming. It's stressful, dude. I think it's probably like, it just sits in the back of your mind. It's like, well, if I take too many videos doing this fun thing, then everything will start crashing on my phone, and then I won't be able to take photos or videos of other things that are cool. And like, I haven't gotten better at it overall. However, I have gotten better at deleting things. Apps that have helped me with the clearing side of things. I'm on an Android phone. I use Sponge. It's pretty good. Like swipe left and right. Sponge is good, but it's not perfect. My ideal app would be one that's really similar to Sponge, but I point it to a folder and then it pulls out all the files within it, including folders inside that folder. I've got like a tree of files. I point it here and then everything within I'm like rating that hasn't been rated yet. That would be pretty good. And then today on the computer I started screwing around with Darktable. Darktable is very complicated and I think probably exactly what I want, but also, oh my god, it still is not a quick process. To summarize, the amount of time that I have spent capturing things that I didn't need to, as well as clearing out shit that I didn't need to capture, just reviewing it, and then rating things sometimes when it's like, whatever, who cares? Like, I would much rather have spent that time doing something else, living those actual moments, enjoying those moments. Every second that I spend capturing something is a second that I could be spending on doing something worth capturing, actually living it, you know? So that's what I'm gonna get better at. I'm gonna get better at this. Hell or friggin' high water, this is what's gonna happen. Wish me luck, I guess. Bruh. I'm gonna start just living life simply. Not in like an Amish, no electricity, no internet way. Maybe in the future, but that's not the plan yet. But like just being present. Just be fucking present. Please. I'm still not perfect at being present. But when I am, God, I'm so much fucking happier. It's hard though. It's hard. One of my bits of advice would be from a podcast episode. If you have something that you do, that you continue to do because it fires off the little receptors of your brain, which go, yeah, more of that, and you want to stop doing it, you need to find other things that feel good to replace it with. Let's say, hypothetically, you take too many photos. Then instead of taking a photo, if you notice that you're in a rut of capturing everything in a given moment, then instead listen to some music loudly that you really enjoy, or something like that. Like do something that like makes a little, like, worms in your brain dance good, but it not be the behavior that you're trying to break. Try to replace things that are dopamine-based feel good. So, like, things where you do something for the future with stuff that is instead serotonin or whatever the other ones are feel good. So do things where you are being rewarded for your current actions and make that like little nice brain buzz replace the one where you are getting rewarded for doing things that might come to fruition in the future. That doesn't necessarily mean be like hedonistic, eat 7 blocks of cheese in a row, which you'll probably feel sick anyway, but at least like the third block will probably still taste awesome, you know? For instance, with me, this is gonna sound lame, but I used to get a buzz out of partying, and now I get a buzz out of family photos that I've put up. If you're in the position to do so, buy a stick vacuum, because it makes it actually fun to go around the house and make it look clean, and when the floor looks clean, then your brain feels cleaner. If that makes sense. For the neurodivergent homies, if you've got long hair, tie it back. Tighter clothes, like jeans, a more form-fitting shirt, gloves even, stuff like that. Okay, I'll probably cap it off there. I've been going for a little while. I'm gonna... What did I say at the end of my last? That was insightful, or at the very least... interesting. Got it! I hope that was insightful, or at the very least, interesting.